Welcome to this guide on Azure Database for MySQL and PostgreSQL. Microsoft Azure offers fully managed database services for two of the most popular open-source relational databases, MySQL and PostgreSQL. These services allow you to run enterprise-grade databases in the cloud without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. In this video, we'll explore what these managed services are, their key features, and when you should use them. Managed open-source databases are cloud services where Azure handles all the complex infrastructure tasks for you. This means Azure takes care of server provisioning, software patching, backups, and continuous monitoring. You get the flexibility of using community editions of MySQL and PostgreSQL with full compatibility, while Azure adds enterprise features like high availability, advanced security, and automated disaster recovery. The pay-as-you-go pricing model allows you to scale resources up or down based on your actual demand, making it cost-effective for businesses of all sizes. Azure Database for MySQL is built on the MySQL Community Edition, ensuring full compatibility with your existing MySQL applications and tools. The flexible server deployment option is the recommended choice, offering zone-redundant high availability, which means your database stays online even if an entire data center fails. You can configure custom maintenance windows to control when updates occur, and use burstable compute tiers to optimize costs for workloads with variable usage patterns. Azure handles all the automated management tasks including backups, patching, monitoring, and high availability configuration, freeing you from day-to-day database administration. Azure Database for PostgreSQL provides an advanced relational database service with full ACID compliance and extensive extensibility options. PostgreSQL is known for its robustness and advanced features. The flexible server option gives you granular control over database configuration, zone redundancy for high availability, and custom maintenance scheduling. One of the key advantages is support for popular PostgreSQL extensions like PostGIS for geospatial data, pgvector for vector similarity search, and TimescaleDB for time series data. This makes it ideal for applications requiring advanced database capabilities beyond standard relational operations. Azure offers two deployment options for these databases. Flexible Server is the modern, recommended option that provides maximum control and customization for production workloads. It includes zone-redundant high availability, meaning your database is replicated across multiple availability zones for maximum uptime. You can configure custom maintenance windows to schedule updates during low-traffic periods and choose burstable compute tiers that automatically scale based on load. Single Server is the legacy deployment option with basic features and limited customization. Microsoft is retiring Single Server, so migrating to Flexible Server is strongly recommended for all new projects and existing deployments. These managed database services come with enterprise-grade features built in. High availability provides a 99.99% service level agreement with zone-redundant deployments, ensuring your database is always accessible. Automated backups run continuously with point-in-time restore capability for up to 35 days, protecting you from data loss. Security features include encryption for data at rest and in transit, along with network firewall rules and private endpoint support. Azure Monitor integration provides comprehensive monitoring with customizable alerts and detailed performance metrics. You can scale both vertically by increasing compute and storage, and horizontally using RAID replicas. These RAID replicas improve performance for read-heavy workloads and provide geographic disaster recovery options. Azure Database for MySQL and PostgreSQL are ideal for several common scenarios. Web and mobile applications benefit from the global scale and high availability features, making them perfect backend databases for modern cloud-native applications. E-commerce platforms use these databases for transaction processing, inventory management, and customer data storage, taking advantage of the built-in reliability and security. Geospatial applications leverage PostgreSQL's PostGIS extension for location-based services, mapping applications, and spatial analysis. Analytics and reporting workloads benefit from RED replicas, which allow you to offload intensive queries from your production database, enabling business intelligence and data warehousing without impacting application performance. Let's recap the key points. Azure provides fully managed MySQL and PostgreSQL databases with enterprise features that would be complex and expensive to implement yourself. The flexible server deployment offers maximum control, high availability with zone redundancy, and cost optimization through flexible pricing tiers and scaling options. Built-in security, automated backups, comprehensive monitoring, and elastic scaling significantly reduce operational overhead, allowing your team to focus on application development rather than database administration. These services are ideal for web applications, e-commerce platforms, analytics workloads, and geospatial applications. By using Azure's managed database services, you get the power of open-source databases with the reliability and support of enterprise-grade infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.